Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your cash from Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button and you will be logged in using your Google account. Once you have been logged in, you will be shown the various different ways by which you can make Swagbucks on your phone. Now, if you have enough Swagbucks that you want to withdraw, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then you will find the Redeem SB option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can find the redeem options. You can either choose your Amazon, RTM, Payoneer or various other options, including PayPal and Zalando as well. You can choose any withdrawal method that is suitable for you, and once you choose your method, you will be asked to choose your amount. Just tap on your desired amount and then tap on the redeem button, and then you can enter the further details about the payment information card. After entering all of your information, you can proceed forward and you will receive your payment on your selected payment method. And there you have it. That is how you can withdraw your funds from Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.